Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. Wanted to share that Kellen put up the grill. Unfortunately, I was not able to record it, but wanted to share with you guys that I did use it. I used the griddle to make some grilled onions and peppers, and I made a T-bone steak. Look how amazing that looks. As for today, I'm going to make some Carnivore Chicken Schnitzel. Once a month, I go to somebody's house for prayer, and we do a potluck style. A lot of my friends know that I'm carnivore, and they know that I will be bringing my Carnivore Chicken Schnitzel or anything carnivore related because you know what? I would like to eat as well. I'm going to clean off my chicken breast. There's like the skin on top and I don't like it. And then I just cut off the excess fat on the sides. I'm going to slice it in half and then slice those into strips. There is no right or wrong way to do this. I'm just going to cut it and there's going to be all kind of shapes and sizes here. So I have 3 chicken breasts. I'm just going to repeat the process. Next up, I have a generic brand of the pork rinds. Now you can use any kind of pork rinds you want, or you can use pork panko, but I do like to make my own pork panko because I'm in charge of the seasoning. If I want it spicy, if I want to add or take out, I'm more in control. All I'm gonna do is just blend this up till it's nice and fine, and then I'm gonna add my seasonings. I am going to check if I have any large pieces. Sometimes my NutriBullet doesn't grab everything, but that's okay. Now, as for the seasonings, you guys, feel free to use, add, take out what you want. I like flavor when it comes to my carnivore meals, so I like black pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm also going to throw in some parsley. And I do batches, so the first I did do a layer. I have my second batch here. I'm just going to layer it on top and add my seasonings just the same. And you guys, play around. Carnivore does not need to be boring. Have fun. And I'm done. Easy, homemade pork panko with the seasonings that I like. Speaking of seasonings, let's get this blend because I do want to season the chicken strips as well. I'm using 1 teaspoon of each. Now, if you guys notice, I did not put salt in the pork panko because the pork rinds are a bit salty, so I will be adding the salt for the chicken strips. Alright, it is time to layer these chicken strips on the cutting board, and I'm going to add some rendered bacon fat to my griddle pan. I will have a link for it down below. I know a lot of people don't like to use a saran wrap. Feel free to use a parchment paper. I am going to use a prickly side of my hammer and pound the chicken flat. It was making a lot of noise, so I ended up putting a towel underneath, and you guys, it was so much better. Time to add that seasoning blend to each chicken strips, and then make sure that you guys are going to press it down. It's going to stick to it and add that amazing flavor. I'm going to whip up 6 eggs till it's nice and smooth. To make the process faster, I'm just going to dump in my chicken strips in my egg mixture. This is actually going to help coat it faster, and then just stick it straight into the pork panko, give it a good layer, and then put it on my griddle pan. How many of you have actually played Tetris growing up? I would love to hear from you. Leave me a comment down below if you grew up playing Tetris. That's exactly what I'm going to do here in my griddle pan. I want to make sure that I use every square inch putting these chicken strips because, like I said, I got a prayer meeting to get to and I need to make sure that I get all of this done before I go. After each batch, I'm going to take my griddle pan and empty it out. Look how smooth everything is just coming right off of it. I love this griddle pan. I'm going to take some fresh rendered pork belly fat and repeat the process.
Îți mulțumim pentru copiii noștri, îți mulțumim pentru cei, Doamne, care s-au jertfit, care s-au oștenit, Doamne, și ne-au pregătit masa. Tu să-i binecuvintezi, Doamne, Tu să-i binecuvintezi pământul.